a very important part of procuring in a enterprise agreement is that you have these standardization rights, and I already called them out for Windows operating system and for Office Professional Plus. But an additional standardization license is what Microsoft calls the Client Access License Suites, and they have two flavors: a core Client Access License Suite and an Enterprise Client Access License Suite. And it basically states the different states itself. The core suite is licensed by the standard editions of the CALs described earlier. The Enterprise CAL suite is licensed with the additional additive Enterprise Client Access licenses. But there's also some other differences. So the core CAL suite is a suite of client access licenses that Microsoft deems important for any user within a large organization. And it consists of the basic Windows Server CAL, so that you can access all Windows Server environments, but also the Skype, Exchange, and SharePoint standard CALs. Additionally, for some management of these devices or users, you have the Configuration Manager and Endpoint Protection Manager. In the Enterprise CAL includes all the components of the core CAL suite, but it has the additive Enterprise Client Access licenses, and it has the Windows Server RMS CAL and Advanced Threat Analytics. Please note, Advanced Threat Analytics is a security feature, and it will most likely be end of life pretty soon. So when you license in an enterprise agreement, you want to standardize on your client access licenses, you should buy either the core CAL suite or the enterprise CAL suite. When you do this in the enterprise agreement, software assurance is mandatory. And if you only need one CAL, for instance, a Windows Server CAL, you cannot buy this separately in an enterprise agreement. But you should then move to an MPSA or Select Plus agreement to just buy this client access license. Enterprise client access licenses are available standalone. So if you're buying the core CAL suite, you can just buy an Exchange Enterprise CAL standalone on top of this to release the additional functionality of that. And if we move on, the CAL suites are versionless, meaning they don't release these suites as a 2019 version or a 2016 version or whatever. But when SA coverage ends, you just get the final latest edition that was released for the different standalone products within the suite. Another side step to a cloud licensing session is that there's a Bridge CAL available, and the Bridge CAL is basically an additive license to a cloud solution to allow the rights of a CAL suite to bring together your cloud license with the core infrastructure license, for instance. So if you buy E3, you get the right to access an Exchange environment, and SharePoint environment, and a Skype for Business environment, but you lose the right for Windows Server and System Center. Well, you can buy a CAL suite Bridge that holds these rights for Windows Server, System Center. Enterprise CAL suite with active SA coverage also includes the right to Exchange Online archiving, data loss prevention, and Exchange Online protection.